welcome back to our channel. We continue our journey on question 1, okay, 1D, okay. You have an IR spectrum and then very simple. Identify the bond responsible for the absorption label B. Just look it up from the data booklet, okay. Pause for a while, look at the 2016 data booklet and find it. Yes, welcome back. You got it. It's OH bond, okay. So D the result is OH. After knowing the OH bond, this diagram has no use, so you can just delete it, okay. I can look at the other two questions, okay, and then A, okay, the compound that we are clear about, okay, can be converted to compound E, okay, which has a higher molecular mass, okay, by heating it under reflux with acidified potassium dichromate, okay, and then identify one functional group present in E, the products, okay, based on this information only, okay, acidified potassium dichromate, do you remember which group is it? Yes, you got it, COH. Well done. But it's a E, not A, okay? Be careful. So, deduce a possible structure formula for A, okay, consistent with the evidence present, okay? About all the evidence, okay? You got about, okay, after doing the reaction is like this, okay? So, before, what is it? And the reflux, okay? So, you got it, okay? You have to draw the structural formula, okay? Okay, 6 carbon, so 6 carbon, yeah. Just draw it out first, draw it. And then I draw all the thing, okay. 12 hydrogen, you just draw them out, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, not enough. 8, 9, 10, 11, oh, last one, okay. And then after the reaction is COOH, so before is COH. So count if the number, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 12, 6, and 1. So it's the answer, okay? Just doing it step by step. It is just like real research, okay? In daily life, people will do this thing to identify different compound. To us, it's just exam question, okay? In real world, of course, are more complicated, okay? More candidate, okay? Okay, see you for next session. Bye.